Hello students, I am Meenakshi Khamkar from Vidyalankar Polytechnic. Today in this video we will study example number 12 which is tab control in VB.NET. So how to create tab control? For creating tab control from toolbox you have to select tab control, this option. Just click and drag on this form window. So this tab control will be visible on this form window. After creating this tab control, just open its properties by right clicking on this tab control, select properties. Now here in properties we have to change some tab pages. For opening tab control properties, you have to just click on this gray bar now, or you can click on this tab page 1 or this gray color bar and just right click and properties. Tab control properties will be opened. Now here in tab page property, tab pages, just click on this 3 dots. These are two tabs visible in form, tab page 1, tab page 2. We can change its text by changing this text. Suppose first tab, I want to change personal information and just click OK. And for tab 2 and for changing text of tab page 2, just click on this tab page 2 and change its text. Select college. If you want to add another tab, you can add from here. Tab page 3 is added, and after that you can change its text. So tab page 3 text can be changed. So for tab page 3, change its text to document list. Okay. So in this way you can add multiple tabs in this tab control, and accordingly just click on this, select college. Another tab is open, document list. Third tab is open. Now we will change color of each tab so it will be easy to identify which tab is open. So for changing first tab, which is personal information, first tab color, just click on this space, this rectangle, and in properties you can see tab page 1 properties are open, and we can change its fore color whichever you want. And for changing back color, you can select back color and change back color. In this way we can change color for each tab. Now I am selecting second tab, which is select college. Click here in this portion. Tab page 2 is two properties are open. Change its back color. And in this way change third tab control document list. Click here in this area, which is tab page 3, and change its back color to this color. Okay. So you can see all the three tabs are with different colors so that we can identify which tab is open. So on tab page 1, on personal information, you can add these three labels: name, address, phone number, and three text field for entering data: name, address, and phone number. You can take these tools from toolbox, and you can add submit button also. On select college tab, you can give list box, and at runtime you can display name of colleges. How to display name of colleges? Just double click on this gray window, which is your form, and on form 1 underscore load means what? When we will run our project, when we will run this form, that time it should display college list in list box. So how to add? List box 1 dot items dot add and then name of colleges. So these options will be visible when we will run our project. We will check that. In document list also you can add whichever control you want. This is just an example. So first we will run this project. So after running, we can see personal information is our first tab, select college is our second tab, and document list, you can add document list in this tab also. So this was experiment number 12. Thanks for watching.